2014 Mazda 3. You know what I'm saying? How you guys doing? Hey! How you guys doing? Welcome back to another episode. Now I'm saying it's me, Axtuo. Axtuo is back. Yeah, me. I'm gonna show you how to refill the AC system with some Freon. Before I jump into the action, you know I gotta say that I'm gonna say it again. Shout outs to my subscribers. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Where would I be without you? Know what I'm saying? I mean, support the channel by subscribing to the channel. Click on the bell button so every time I upload new content to the channel, you're gonna be the first one to know. If you didn't know, now you know. Like this video, share this video, and the feedback put in the comment box. As soon as I see it, I'll reply. Yeah, I mean, the other way you can support the channel is by watching the whole ad. Watch the whole ad, don't skip it. If you skip it, it's like regular TV, you know what I'm saying? It comes with commercials, you know what I'm saying? So, and you're getting this for free, so, you know what I'm saying? Take a break too, you gotta take a break, you know what I'm saying? If you get stressed because of too much stuff, you know what I'm saying? Take a break, watch a commercial, you know what I mean? Don't skip it, that's how you support the channel too. Alright, let's do this. 2014 Mazda 3 ED. We open the hood, you know how to open the hood. It's right there below the steering wheel. Just pull it, you know what I'm saying? Just like that. Not like that though. Stop, stool. Going back to this thing. Now we look around. We look around for the AC ports. Can you guess what it is? Do you spot it? Not yet? Well, I'm gonna let you know where it is, alright? Come over here. See it right here? It's a high port. It has a rather H for high. And then you see that valve right there? It looks like a tire air valve, right? Well, it's gonna do the same thing. If you squeeze it, if you press it, whatever is in the system in that line, it's gonna splash. So always wear safety glasses, safety goggles. Come over here. This is the low port, not too far from the high port. Turn it clockwise, counterclockwise. This one has an air valve too. Now you can purchase the system two ways: the legal way and the right way, the wrong way and the right way. You know what I'm saying? The wrong way is if you squeeze it, whatever is inside, let's say it's Freon, comes out until nothing come out. But if you do that, you're gonna damage the atmosphere, the ozone. You know what I'm saying? That's why we have a big ass hole, not like that, or pores. Alright, so don't do that. That's why you need a machine like this. Or you can get a extractor from Harbor Freight. Shout outs to Harbor Freight. You know what I'm saying? Or Amazon. The machine is a little machine. It costs between $50 to $100, something like that. What it's gonna do is it's gonna extract whatever is in the system in these lines. You know what I'm saying? And once you do that, then you're good to charge the system. Alright, so we're gonna do with this machine right now. I'm gonna grab these hoses. So we're gonna grab the hose. I'm gonna come over here. Now, I said this before. The high one is bigger than the low one. Okay. Can you tell? This one is bigger than this one. So we're gonna grab, this is the high one, the red one. We're gonna turn the knob to the left all the way. I don't know why it's like that. So left all the way, okay. Counterclockwise. And we're gonna pull it back like that. Sit it in there. Wiggle it. Let it go. Make sure it's there. Now turn the knob clockwise all the way until it's tight. That means it's secure. Right? And we're gonna do the same with this one. Turn it to the left all the way. You know what I'm saying? Getting my hand dirty here. Hi. Pull it back. Let it go. Make sure to secure it. Turn it to the clockwise all the way until it's secure. Wiggle it. That's good. We come over here. We turn the machine on. Discover it. Tells you right there how much is in the system though. That doesn't mean it's Freon, okay? Because I just turned on the AC system inside, and that thing is blowing hot air. So there's nothing in the system. So this is what the machine has right now. 6 pounds, maybe almost 7. Right now we're gonna recover, equalizing pressure. Oh, low system pressure. That means there's a leak somewhere or something like that. But we're gonna continue. Okay. Start. If you hear like a hissing sound, that means that there could be a leak somewhere. But the lines look good though. Lines look good. I don't know what's going on with this. That's what the machine is recovering so far. I'm gonna leave it here for 5 minutes. Alright, so it's been 5 minutes. That's what we got so far. Alright, now we're just gonna stop it. Pause it. Now we have to know how much Freon this car takes. So we look around for any label, sticker. Oh, there's one over here. It says max 1.13 pounds, minimum 1 pound. And it give you in kilograms too, but it's converted to pounds here because this machine speaks pounds. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna proceed to charge. Inject some oil, yes. Now we squeeze the inject oil for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let it go. Alright, good. Stop it. Now it's asking you how much you want. Remember right here it says 1.13. And that's what we're gonna put over here. 1.13. Start. Charge in progress. Do not disturb. The needle's going up. That's good. Machine doesn't say anything about a leak. If there was a leak, the machine will tell you there's a leak. You know what I'm saying? Literally, it's gonna tell you there's a leak. You know what I'm saying? So, charge in progress. That's what's going in the car, in the line. Saying we're almost there. Remember it was 1.13, almost there. Do not disturb, charge in progress. Almost there. Needles almost 100. Almost 100. Okay. So I don't think there's a leak in the system though. What it was in the system was maybe some gases in there, leftovers of the Freon. Almost there. Alright. Charge has slow retry. Now this is for Julio Herrera. he asked something about, oh, will you charge the car with the engine running? When this thing happens, then you start the car. You know what I'm saying? Start the car, turn the AC on, and then press yes. Alright, we're gonna do that now. It's hot in here. We come on, cheers. Step on the brake pedal, push the start button. I'm gonna turn on the AC. AC here, turn on the AC. You gotta blow cold air, because if not, then something's not right. Okay, when you step on the gas pedal, I feel the cold air. When you step on the gas pedal, the compressor work, let's say, harder and push the cold air faster and colder. Okay, we're gonna leave it running now. Purchase the carburetor gas. Charge it to system. USB cold to cool. Charge it to system gas. And the machine tells you starts AC on max, then press start. That was it. But this thing's going down. So Gucci. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I mean, there's no leak though, it's still there. You know what I'm saying? So that's Gucci though. Okay. We just turn this off like that. Press this, turn it counterclockwise to remove it all the way. Pull it back. That was weird. Counterclockwise, high port all the way. Pull it back. There's a lot of pressure in there. Now we just put the caps back. You know what I'm saying? And that's pretty much it. Alright. That's how you do it, Julio Herrera. Yeah, I mean? Don't worry, I got you, baby. I'm gonna show you the right way. Yeah, I mean? Just close the hood and rack out. Cold air, you know what I'm saying? Gucci. Alright, I'm gonna leave it right here. This is it. That's it for now. I hope you like this video how to refill the AC system with some Freon in your car. 2014 Mazda 3. Alright, thank you for watching. Like I said, don't forget to support the channel. Support the channel by clicking on the bell button. Every time I upload new content to the channel, you're gonna be the first one to know. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna be the winner. Yeah, I mean? Catch this W. And yeah, like this video, share this video, and the feedback put in the comment box. Any idea, any suggestion, anything that cross through your mind, put it in the comment box. You know what I'm saying? The other way you can support the channel is by watching the whole ad. Since you're watching this for free, you know what I'm saying? Support the channel, god damn it, put the tip on the table. Watch the whole ad, don't skip it. Alright? And I'm gonna leave it right here. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one. Axtuo, Burun, Amaudi. Clocking now. Burun. Yeah.